Interior designers, if you're still designing the old way, this Nano Banana Pro update will blow your mind. I'm Shipra Shetty, architect and AI designer. Today I'll show you how I turned a 4 BHK floor plan into multiple design views, styles, and even a cinematic walkthrough using Nano Banana Pro. First, I convert the entire 4 BHK floor plan into a clean, furnished 3D view, keeping all room sizes, walls, and circulation accurate. Then, with one click, I generate a 45-degree isometric view. Perfect for client presentations, they understand the layout instantly. Next, I zoom into one bedroom and generate a POV interior perspective, exactly how a person would experience the spacing. This is my favorite part. I take a mood board and instantly restyle the bedroom. Minimal Japan Day texture changes without touching the layout. From the same design, I generate multiple camera angles, day views, night views, helping clients visualize the space at different times. And finally, I bring the design to life with a Veo cinematic walkthrough. Slow, calm, and incredibly realistic. This is how Nano Banana Pro completely changed my interior design workflow. If you're an interior designer or architect, this tool is a game changer. Subscribe for more AI-powered interior design workflows using Nano Banana, Midjourney, and Web.